Jean-Christophe Varnier. Ciao.
Emergency. Please evacuate and muster at administration.
Where are you going? I've been waiting.
Emergency. Please evacuate and muster at administration.
Carrie, I saw him walking outside taking pictures.
It's just outside.
But no, just here.
Craig and Xavier, would you mind being backup BA? It's been taken from red already, so.
Yeah, we'll go down to station.
Volunteer who can go meet McMurdo, fire truck that's arriving by the bar or at the sign and then direct them to the bar. Could somebody volunteer? Dave, why don't you come on over here? Thank you. Looking for a duty engineer.
Every time.
Fancy.
Well done. Thanks, everyone. Till later.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so tired.
Sylvia actually walking. So that you guys know, so we can tell him that it's over. Look at the time.
It's all over.
Maybe that hasn't been quiet.
No more fire. Back to work.
No fire.